If you're looking for an affordable yet effective chemical exfoliant that you can use on your face, then this is the FaceFacts Lactic Acid 3% Lactic Acid Face Serum. And in today's video, I'm going to be telling you everything that you need to know about this serum. Hello, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi, my name is Sylvia, and on this channel I talk about all things skincare. I'm a skincare lover, so if this sounds like something that you love and you'd love to get more content like this, if you love to watch more content like this, please subscribe to my channel, please like this video, and please share this video with someone you believe this video will be of help to. If you're looking to glow up your skin the right way in 2025, then trust me, you have actually come to the right place, because in today's video I'm going to be telling you everything you need to know about this particular product. I hope you can see it, the FaceFacts Lactic Acid 3% Lactic Acid AHA Serum, and I'm going to be telling you everything you need to know. On this channel we don't hoard stuff. I share everything that you need to know that's going to help you glow up that beautiful skin of yours in this year. In this year, we're not taking last. Nobody's going to watch my video and carry last, okay? In this year, everybody is going to glow up. You're going to glow up the right way. And yeah, so please subscribe and stay subscribed to my channel. Starting off in today's video, what exactly is exfoliation? What is an exfoliant? Just in case you're a skincare beginner and these terms confuse you and you're just confused and you don't even know what this is, you don't even know what this means, I'm going to break it down into simple details for you. Okay, now exfoliation, right, is a skincare technique where you, by any method, take off the dead skin cells that are present on the surface of your skin to reveal a more radiant skin. Okay, and it also helps your skincare products to get better absorbed on your skin. Methods of exfoliation. Now we have physical and chemical. These are like the two major methods of exfoliation. Now your physical scrubs, like your sugar scrubs, your salt scrubs, they fall under physical exfoliation, and we're not talking about physical exfoliation today. And like I said, there are two methods. There's physical and then there's chemical exfoliation. Now chemical exfoliation makes use of certain acids, could be enzymes, could be whatever, but they are ingredients in certain skincare products that would help to dissolve the bonds that are present between your dead skin cells and the surface of your skin. So they take off those dead skin cells so that they can reveal that beautiful, soft, dewy, radiant skin. So now that we've gotten that cleared out, let's head into talking about the product for today. Now, I said we are going to define some terms: exfoliation, exfoliant. So what's an exfoliant? What exactly is an exfoliant? Just in case it confuses you, don't confuse these terms together. There's exfoliation, okay, which I've already defined, and then there are types of or methods of exfoliation, which I've mentioned. And I want to talk about what an exfoliant is. So an exfoliant is just a skincare product that helps to take off the dead skin cells on the surface of your skin. So if we have a body scrub now. A body scrub is a physical exfoliant, while the process of using a body scrub to exfoliate your skin is called physical exfoliation. I hope that's easy to understand. When we talk about body scrubs in another video, I'm going to dive deeper. But for today, this falls under one method of exfoliation. Yes, you guessed it right, chemical exfoliation. So that means this particular serum by FaceFacts is a chemical exfoliant. So I hope this does not confuse you. If you have any questions, please do well to ask me in the comment section. I'm going to respond to all your comments. So now, what exactly is it or is there to know about this particular serum? So if you're looking for an affordable serum, okay, that is going to help you to exfoliate your face. And I like this product is used to exfoliate the face. I always mention, if you watch my previous videos, I always say do not use harsh scrubs to exfoliate your face. Products like these are more gentle and they are more safe. And in today's video, I'm going to be telling you about this particular serum because I have used it. In fact, I am currently using it. You can see where it is. I don't know if you can see anything. You can see I'm still using it. Okay. So now, this is the FaceFacts 3% Lactic Acid Alpha Hydroxy Acid Serum, AHA. Okay, so lactic acid is an alpha hydroxy acid. Just in case you are confused, lactic acid, okay, like I already mentioned, lactic acid is an alpha hydroxy acid. So what do alpha hydroxy acids do? Now remember I said that if you use such products to exfoliate your skin. That method is called chemical exfoliation, and this is a chemical exfoliant. So now, alpha hydroxy acids, obviously they are acids that help to exfoliate the skin. So like I said that chemical exfoliants, they dissolve the bond between your dead skin cells and the surface of your skin to reveal radiant skin. So lactic acid, right, is an alpha hydroxy acid. Now alpha hydroxy acids help to take off dead skin cells from the surface of your skin. It's actually just that simple. And yes, please, like I always say, it's safer, okay, for you to use products like this on your skin to exfoliate your face, because your face is actually more sensitive and it's more subtle than your body. Your body is more tough, than your face. Your face is like the soft guy. So please, okay, be very gentle on your face, and products like this on the face are more preferable. So how exactly do you use products like this? How exactly do you incorporate products like this into your routine? Now we're talking about this particular serum, and I'm using it, so I'm talking based on experience. Now it is written here that you can use it in the morning and in the evening, but I prefer to use it in the evening. Now before we go into that, let's just quickly go through the ingredients. Now obviously it contains 3% lactic acid. It also contains aloe vera, and it also contains vitamin C rich peach extract. So this is a very, very good exfoliating serum, and it's super affordable. I got mine for less than 5,000 naira not too long ago, and I'm using. And the good thing about this product, I'm not going to lie, is within a few weeks you're going to start seeing results. I started seeing results. I noticed that my skin felt more soft when I started using it. I just noticed that, improved radiance on my skin. Now this is not necessarily going to like brighten out your skin the way you may imagine. It's just going to your skin is going to feel more soft and more smooth. So now, how exactly do you use it? Let me go back to that. Like I said, it's written there, use it in the morning and in the evening, but to be honest, I prefer to use it in the evening, okay, because products like this actually make you photosensitive, and I use it in the evening before I go to bed. And if you want to use it in the morning, it's still fine, but make sure that you have a very good sunscreen to go with it. Like I said, it makes you photosensitive to the sun, so if you use it without a sunscreen, you could just be wasting your money and you may not see your desired result. But to be on the safe side, like I mentioned, I use it mostly in the evening. And yes, the very first time when I started using it, I used it twice a week, and then I started building up. Before I know, I started using it 3 times a week, and now I use it more than 3 times a week, and it has not caused me any irritation, has not caused any reaction on my skin, which for me is a plus. I actually really, really like this product. And after using it, I make sure that I moisturize before I go to bed, cleanse, and yes, and then I always make sure that I moisturize before I go to bed, because it could leave it doesn't necessarily have any serious hydrating properties. So if you use it without adding a moisturizer before you go to bed, I don't know, for me, I don't always feel comfortable, so I always make sure that I moisturize before going to bed, okay. But overall, I think it's actually a very great product. It's good, it's affordable, and it gets the job of exfoliating done for those of us who may not be able to afford the high-end expensive products. Like I said, this is a very, very good product. So this is actually a really, really amazing alternative. So once again, please, my dear people, do not use harsh physical scrubs on your face, okay? Do not use harsh scrubs on your face. They are not good for your skin. That they could cause micro tears, which could even make you more photosensitive, which could damage your skin, which could cause irritation, which could cause inflammation, and a whole lot of things, and they could just be reversing your progress, okay? I know that there was a time I actually used a physical scrub on my face. I think I used it, I did not know how to exfoliate properly then, so please do not make the mistake I made. I think I used it even more than thrice that week, because I didn't know how to exfoliate properly, and oh my goodness, I did not love the result of my skin. My skin always felt like I had injuries. So please do not use harsh scrubs. This is your cue if you want to glow up your skin in 2025 to stop using harsh scrubs. Anyways, I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please do not forget to ask me in the comment section. I'm going to respond to all your comments. And if you found this video helpful, if you have any questions at all, found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share this video with someone you believe this video will be of help for and to. And yes, Thank you for watching this video up until this point. See you in my next video. Bye.